Welcome to Pharma Job Alert YouTube channel. If you are new to our channel, subscribe for regular job updates. So today in this video, we are going to see vacancies from Sekhmet. So they are conducting walk-in on 1st September to 5th September for bulk drugs, and the timings are 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. Location is Anjan Drugs Private Limited, Sitco Pharmaceutical Industry Sector OMR, Alathur. So coming to the vacancies, they are looking for production freshers with BSc in Chemistry, Diploma, and 1 to 3 years of experience. And quality assurance, they are looking for senior executive with 7 to 8 years of experience in API quality assurance. Microbiology, they are looking for executive with 4 to 5 years of experience in API microbiology. Next is quality control department, they are looking for fresher with MSc in chemistry, B Pharma, and 1 to 2 years of experience in API quality control. They are looking for an associate manager with 12 to 15 years of experience in API quality control. If you are interested, you can share your CV to vijay.kannan sekhmetpharma.com. So please utilize the opportunity for regular job updates like this. Subscribe to Pharma Job Alert. You can also scan the QR code for more information.